Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I have super stupid hair. That's what I have today. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, today I have some super exciting news. I'm going to show you my foundation routine using our new Shape Tape matte foundation. Let's have a little chit chat about this guy. So, matte foundation, it is matte. I have oily skin, that is why I love this foundation. I have tried every matte foundation out there for my oily skin, and then you put it on, and then like a couple hours in, it's like, is that oil on my face right now? So, I'm very picky with my foundations because I do have oily skin and I want it to last all day, and I want it to like literally lock it up. No oil. But anyway, this guy is amazing and I'm going to show you how I use it. I like to use it with our Paddle to Perfection brush. It makes the application super easy. So I'm going to show you how I apply that, a couple other new products that we just launched, and we're going to have fun, a little toot day. So as you can see, I look pretty tan right now because I used our Glow with the Faux self tanner. I'm going to take my shade Medium Nooch and apply this. It doesn't look like it matches my face right now, but I promise it will. So I'm going to take our Paddle to Perfection brush and apply this in circular motions. Next, I'm going to take this foundation's BFF, our Shape Tape concealer, and I like to go like really light. So my foundation shade was medium neutral, and I'm using light neutral Shape Tape. Taking our Park F Princess bronzer. In my bag, so we're gonna skip on the blush, and I'm gonna put some highlighter on. This is our exposed highlight. Boom, roasted. Anybody fans of The Office? Comment down below if you guys are Office fans, because I will love you even more. I'm obsessed with The Office, so if you could name what that episode, boom roasted. Maybe you can't, but that was one of my faves. Next are les eyes. I'm gonna take our MANEATER B2 palette, which I love and adore. Love this palette so much. I'm gonna take the shade Purr, which is that smack dab in the middle shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Passion, which is this middle guy. Back with a little bit of Purr. Blend it out. I'm going for a pretty simple eye look. So I'm going to do bold lip. I'm going to take the shade HYPNOTIC, which is this guy right here. Apply that to my lower lash line. Speaking of HYPNOTIC, anybody 21 and up ever had that blue drink, HYPNOTIC? Woo! That was a doozy. Never remembered those nights. Who can relate? Who can relate? Hopefully somebody. That's pretty much it for the eye. Now I'm gonna take our MANEATER mascara. Come on. Can you freaking beat that? Can you freaking beat it? You guys want a nail tutorial, you said. I'll show you. I can show you. I do my own gel. Have a little UV light. Got it off Amazon. Super cheap. Next, something I'm super excited about. Drum roll, please. Busy Gal Brow. I'm gonna first take the shade Taupe. Look at that already. This little guy is so great. I'm gonna go in with medium brown right after, but I just wanna explain this. Look, you probably saw, obviously, because I zoomed you in, how tiny. Come on, focus. It's so small, it won't even focus. Now I'm gonna go in with medium brown, just to like add some dimension. And I'm gonna focus it toward the tail. I have like super long brow hairs, as you can probably tell. Flaunt what you got. Grabs literally every brow hair because it's so tiny. I love it. Good with our lip sculptor. Actually, let me know what kind of skin you have. What your skin type is, that is. Because I have oily skin, and that is why I chose Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I would love to help you guys out. So if you comment down below any of your like skin concerns or your skin type, I would love to help you pick a foundation that works for you, because it's really tricky. It's hard out there to pick a foundation. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.